What it do, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the KB Show, man. We got the box Chevy up here at the paint shop. You see, we got some motion. You see, we got some motion. See, we got some motion. It's coming together. Yes, sir. This PaintPrison Volume 6, baby. We got some motion. We got the front end put on. And then we got the rear end put on. I bet y'all thought that was the box, huh? Nope. There's another one came up here, another two-door sports coupe. This one's about to get the treatment too. It's got a crazy chameleon paint job on it. Full roof on there. Yep. Just wanted to give y'all an update, man. Let y'all see the box. The emotion, baby.